Nice job, buddy. Watch your brother.
Okay, what?
So, Jake, we found a stream today?
Yeah.
On this rainy day?
Yeah.
And what's the job at hand right now?
That's shoveling mud. In the mud.
Shoveling mud?
Water mud? It's so dirty.
It is so dirty.
Look right there.
That's right, Dill.
We have big boots to keep it safe from poison ivy and pines and other things.
That's right.
Is
that your
boot-proofing.
Boot-proof.
We have water shirts that are waterproofing. Water pants that are
How about that umbrella?
Yep, it's waterproof too. Hey, why is that big thing there?
The big pile of logs?
No, that. Why that big gate there?
Oh, not sure, buddy. Something that Daddy or Papa put there, probably. So we found a big stream on our property. Well, I suppose it's always here, but when it rains. Working very well.
This is poison ivy water. Mommy,
Yeah,
what's this?
Yep.
This is poison ivy water.
We should be very careful with it, shouldn't we? And we have to make sure that we take a good shower after this, right?
Yes.
Nothing like a good rainy day, though. So much fun. Yay!
We have a big mudder thing where we put a rock in, mud and water. A lot of things. This is a big stick.
That's right, Dylan. That is a big stick.